Friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Betnisol. Betnisol has 0.5 milligrams of betamethasone in it, and this box has 100 tablets. It's made by GlaxoSmithKline. The price for one box is 162 rupees. Betamethasone tablets belong to a group of medicines called steroids. Their full name is corticosteroids. These corticosteroids occur naturally in the body and help to maintain health and well-being. Boosting your body with extra corticosteroid is an effective way to treat various illnesses involving inflammation in the body. Betamethasone tablets reduce this inflammation, which could otherwise go on making your condition worse. You must take this medicine regularly to get maximum benefit from it. Many different conditions can be improved by the use of corticosteroids as they reduce inflammation, redness, tenderness, heat and swelling in the body. Betamethasone tablets are used to treat asthma, severe allergic reactions, rheumatoid arthritis, autoimmune diseases such as systemic lupus, inflammatory conditions of the skin, kidney, bowels and heart, some connective tissue diseases, certain conditions of the blood, some types of cancer such as malignant lymphoma. Corticosteroids are also used to help prevent organ transplant rejection following organ transplant surgery. Tell your doctor if you are allergic to betamethasone. And some side effects of this medication include feeling depressed, including thinking about suicide, feeling high mania or moods that go up and down, feeling anxious, having problems sleeping, difficulty in thinking or being confused and losing your memory, feeling, seeing or hearing things which do not exist, having strange and frightening thoughts, changing how you act or having feelings of being alone. The dosage for rheumatoid arthritis is 1 to 4 tablets daily. For long-term treatment, the dose may be lower. Taking steroids often or for a long time during pregnancy can slow the baby's growth in the womb or may temporarily affect the baby's heart and baby movement. Sometimes the baby may get digestive juices going up into the tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach. The baby may also make less of its own steroid, but this rarely causes any problems. If you become pregnant whilst taking this medication, please tell your doctor. If you are breastfeeding, the steroid may enter the baby and lower their hormone levels if you are taking high doses for a long time. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.